because in reality, the solar, let's use the solar system.
You don't see a planet jump into another orbit. Out of nowhere, the planets don't Mercury doesn't jump into Venus's orbit. That's what he's talking about. None of these stuff, there was none of these huge jumps that they were predicting with the electron model.
Can you pull that up, Rob? Because I fully understand what he's saying, but I want to visually show it. So orbit, meaning if there is,
just look up electron orbit. Yeah, if you look up the electron orbit.
Go to images.
And they believe that electrons spontaneously jump into
That's a
higher
good one.
orbits. Yeah.
Who's
S1,
they?
S2, S2.
Who's they?
Eric Weinstein, the standard model, their whole thing.
Standard model of particle physics. It's all based on the quantum.
But you have to match
orbits.
it. You're supposed to match it to natural phenomena. Can you imagine if the Earth out of nowhere just jumped into Mars's orbit? What that would do to the solar system, and have you ever experienced that in observing any of the other solar systems? Because what's large happens on the small, and what happens on the small happens on the large, because it all has to fit together. You can't have imaginary stories of, okay, this happens in the quantum space, but it's prevented from happening in the macro space.